In this question, the letter X represents the pair of ribs in humans and Y represents the pair of true ribs. So you have to choose the option that represents the correct values of X and Y and provides their explanation. Humans have 12 pairs of ribs. Thus, X is equal to 12. And out of these, the first 7 pairs are called true ribs. These are attached dorsally to the vertebral column and ventrally to the sternum. Thus, Y equal to 7. The next 3 pairs, that is 8th, 9th and 10th pairs are called false ribs because they are not directly attached to the sternum. And the last 2 pairs, that is 11th and 12th, are called floating ribs because they do not attach to the sternum at all and end freely. So the correct answer is option D, that is X is equal to 12 pairs of ribs and Y is equal to 7 pairs of true ribs.